In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Revit groups. Now to do this, first you want to select all the elements you want to put into your group. So I'm just going to use these stairs over here in this sample project, and there's a few ways to actually do this. You can select them by clicking, then holding down your control key, and of course clicking on all the other elements you want to capture. So for example, this one, like that, there we go. And I can go and select these elements like this that I want to turn into a group. That's the first way. The second one is going to be to just click and drag your selection, and like that, as you can see, you can also go and basically create a group. Okay, now I do have a group here already, so I'm actually going to group something else. Let's just do this elevator over here. Okay, I'm going to just click and kind of select these things over here. There we go, just a few of them, doesn't really matter. Okay, let's say this is our selection, and now what you have to do, go to the modify tab up top and then click on this button, which is the create group button. You could also press G and P on your keyboard as indicated over here, and it's going to open up the same thing, which is going to be this window where you can of course create your group. So I'm just going to basically model it, and of course it says model group, you can name it. I'm going to name this one, for example, group elevator. Okay, just like this. So what I'm going to do now is, as you can see, it says where you want to attach it. I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm going to click on OK. Now I've created a group, and if I go to over here, I can type in, for example, group elevator, and there we go. Over here we can see it. Now I can just drag and drop it on here, and it's going to basically allow me to kind of paste that group in here into this project. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.